Phoenix here, back at it with the July 6th compo report for my game against Cavalry Corp. Don't know. There shouldn't be too much action today. I think more bombing of the bases and them trying to evade Saumlaki and Latium. Some submarine action. No hits off. There we go. He's getting some. He has some night patrols going on near Darwin. Oh. The governor took a torpedo. That hurts. Oh, 2 torpedoes that she's gonna sink. She did sink. I need to get night patrols up there. That's what I need to do. Some night PBYs. Along with daytime PBYs should hopefully keep them from showing their nasty heads. Okay. Some PBs. I'm not too worried about PBs. If they don't have good very good ASW. So let's skip through this phase. Here we go. I put some cap over Bima, and hopefully we'll get some good kills. 4 zeros destroyed. Oh, so some G4Ms running to. Okay. So my Hellcats don't do anything. Okay, I got all 4 of them after the battle. We destroy some more Jills today. Very nice. He's losing a lot of pilots over here. I don't see how he can afford those kind of losses. That's been bombing for a couple days. I am a couple turns ahead. Okay. I'll go back to that. I'm a couple turns ahead, so if he's still bombing it on the new turn, I'll think about putting some long range cap over that. He lost 2 bombers to flak here. Just about. Ooh. Oh, he had some Whiskerals, so I think these 9 Helenas are gonna get massacred. So 7 of them, about 7 destroyed. What is he hitting here? I think, yep, okay, yep, the Vancouver gets sunk. Womp womp. It is sunk. Or I mean, it got hit then sunk. I said in the opposite way. Okay, I'm just gonna skip through this and see. I think, yeah, 5 Mosquitoes, 1 Corsair for 11 zeros. I could have got some better losses, but you know, stuff happens. Skip through that. Sorry to airstrikes. Submissions canceled to bad weather. Hellcats come up for more kills. I need to look at these squadrons. This Hellcat squadron. It must, after the last couple days, it must have some great pilots by now. Japanese ground losses, 129. Just softening up these troops here. Hopefully making it where I can take the base in a couple days. Opening up this way. Then I'm gonna bomb these bases to death, then pair drop them, and then that should clear my southern position here. No, nothing hitting. Oops, some Mavs. This is gonna be a massacre. Yep, about 4 destroyed. Okay, let's get to the ground combat phase. He's doing a bombardment here. I lost some today, but the last couple times, I've been getting some good KDs. I'm bombarding here. Man, I lost Why did I lose so much? It must be the mortars. Yeah, he only really has a couple units of artillery in it. So the mortars must be killing me. I'm bombarding here. We're not going to really do much. We're about equal in guns. Okay, let's skip to the, to see what arrives today. A new tanker, X Squadron. Okay, no, X Squadron was moving. BMS, VP, naval unit. Okay. Ooh, okay, good, we missed. He misses. Ooh, hit but no explosion, very nice. Once I build up Horn Island more, I'm gonna get some ASW into that base. I think I need about level 2 for medium 2-engine bombers to fly out. I'll need to look and see how far along I am to getting that base up. Okay, we're just hitting some patrol cruisers. He got one hit. Okay, so the airstrike phase. Oh, my cap is severely reduced today. I was having 30 mosquitoes show up. Now I'm only having 8. That's not good. So 2 Hellcats turned away the 7 Jills. More Hellcats showed up. Killed at least a couple Bettys. Oop, this is 3 Hell, now they're gonna... Oh, only 2 of them are about destroyed. And one of them was destroyed by flak, so about all 3 are gone. Massive raid over Saumlaki. Only 100 casualties. Yeah, even with how many bombers I have, it is rough terrain, so I'm only doing minor damage. If I was probably bombing at 2,000, I probably can get a couple more hits. But I don't want to be bombing that low. It's kind of risky. Couple more Jills, turn them away. Damage. He stopped most of his air raids over Changsha. Only Sonya's, it seems like today, have been bombing it, which is good. I am hopefully going to start building up supply there for all my A8, or he's going to have to start bombing B higher. Okay, here goes my bombardment off. Let's see. Ooh, some good damage. 1 destroyed squad, 5 combat squads, 1 engineer. 19 disabled. We were firing at the JFA unit. Okay, we didn't fire at any real combat squads. Any real things, but any squad destroyed is any squad destroyed, I'll take it. Let's see what kind of bombardment we get done today. Okay, we pretty much traded between the 2 days. He got 8 and I got 9. Let's see what happens here today. Heavy casualties. I'm gonna have to stop that bombardment. Nothing done. Nothing done. Okay, let's skip to ooh, coping at level 9. Very nice. Now I have unlimited space. I could store thousands of fighters there if I want to, as long as I have aviation support for them. But unlimited squadrons is nice. It's a very good bomber base that's in breach of his oil. Some new XAKs, a VP, transport squadron, an AT unit, and Soviets. That's very good. So let's go look at the turn and let's see what's happening. So let's go view intelligence report. Let's look at air losses. So 23 to 71 today. He lost 32. He lost 33 zeros, 32 to air, 1 to ops. Okay. He lost 11 Helenas, 10 to air, 1 to flak. He only lost 9 Jills. 10 Jills, I mean. 9 to air, 1 to ops. Okay. He lost 8 Bettys, all to air. He lost 4 Sonias, 2 to flak, 2 to ops. Okay. 4 Mavises, all air to air. Ops, and this is also air to air. Okay. What did I lose? So I lost 7 mosquitoes. 8 mosquitoes, 7 air, 1 to ops. 2 Avengers to ops. 2 Cassairs, 1 air, 1 to ops. Some Liberties to ops. Ops. Couple Catalinas, 1 to air, couple to ops. I lost the B-25D to flak today. I don't remember seeing that, but it happened, I guess. Yeah. Pretty slow turn. I actually want to check. Okay, I just wanted to see how many more sorties. I have about 4 more million sorties than him to total this game. Pretty nice, actually. Let's look at ships lost today. So we lost the Vancouver. That's a flower class. These aren't terrible. It doesn't look like I upgraded it. And I think the upgrade on 143. I don't think I upgraded it. So, and then the Governor. It's okay. Not the end of the world to lose this type of ship. That's it for that. I do have to open up. I should start opening these up before the thing, but I always forget. Let's go look at the reports. I gotta scroll through. Let's look at the arrivals today. So we got. Oh, we got a destroyer escort today. Oh no, wait, that's the wrong day. Whoops, my bad. That's tomorrow's. So we got a new tanker today. I think we got 2 tankers today. No, we only got 1. The tidal wave. I just haven't moved out the other one yet. Very nice tanker. They come with like no experience. Oh my gosh. X Squadron was it was spawned to Quelon and I was moving it over to here to Tulin. A new squadron in San Fran. It must have been a squadron I was moving previously. But we got a new VP-34. Move some of these to the front line. I already did this, but I'm moving some of these Catalinas to the front line. They're just training. New construction squadrons. Those are always nice. They come along with this guy alone comes with 225 engineers and 36 assault. It's pretty nice. This can build a base by itself almost. A couple XAKs. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be Liberties. William WM. Yep, and Liberty. Let me make sure what the other one is. George Davison. Yep, another Liberty. They're very nice ships. Very nice. Gotta love your Liberties. Another VP. I'm assuming this transport squadron is gonna be some commandos yet. I haven't started production on commandos yet. Next month. Very happy for that. They're very good planes. 16 normal radius, 13. I mean extended radius, 13 to normal radius, 10,000 cargo capacity. Very nice planes. They're at least comparing them to the Skytrain. They give you 3 more normal radius, 4 more extended radius, about 4,000 more capacity. I think they also get more durability, 35 to 44. Yeah, a lot more durability. They're also just a great plane. Now you don't get them in numbers. I think numbers. I think in this mod though, numbers were increased. Yeah, they're from 10 to 20, but still, you don't get them in numbers. Let's look at the signal intel reports. So he's planning an attack on Rangoon, Fake, Chingsha, all Rabaul. These units that are planning for Rabaul are probably the ones that are trapped over here. I would have to assume. I could be wrong though. He only has 2,200 men here. Okay. Any divisions anywhere. So he has 13. Part of 13th there. Part of 33rd there. 55th there. Okay, security battalion. And there's not much. Radios, any good radio transmissions? Okay, that's probably a convoy. Air transmissions at Bangkok. Let's see if I can see that or not. Nope, that was last turn. Kagan. So he has ships in Kagan. No planes there. Interesting. And then if I remember correctly, he has an air squadron there, an air HQ. So no planes with an air HQ. He must be planning to move them in once I get closer. He has transmissions at Sipan. Still the same. Transmissions at Sorbaja. I already am spotting it. But he has 26 ships in port, 71 fighters, 31 bombers, 22 auxiliary, and 37 units, so about 80k worth of units here. Lots of units here. Let me see. 80k units, 600 guns, and 737 AV. Decent sized force. Once Bima gets up, I'm going to start trying to clear out his fighters in this area. Another redoing transmission there. I'm guessing this is the same task force. And the trajectory, two things. I'm guessing it could be heading this way. They're heading down this way, down to the SOPAC. Not SOPAC, DIE. So they might go to Balbillo, unload, and do something down there. Now, it's still too far inland. It's like right over here. If it's heading to Balbillo, I feel like trying to hit Balbillo is risky still, as it is kind of still really far in enemy territory. If we think about it, we're about 28 hexes, and I think 46 nautical miles is 40 miles. That's still a good over 1,000 miles away from, about 1,000 miles away from held positions. Okay. Oh, one more thing before we end today. Let's check out this pilot group. Let's see. They have 72 kills. Their fatigue is kind of high. 4, 3, 2, 1. Some decent kills. Um. Oh yeah. The planes are running fine, man. And this squadron did some good work today. I also want to check out these squadrons real quickly as we're here. Okay, and that's it, folks. I will see you next time.